Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you whenever you try to open Google AdSense in your browser, you face this error. Something went wrong, please try again later. But don't worry, I am here to solve your problem. So without any further ado, let's fix this problem. First of all, simply close this window. Now press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard and it will open this Task Manager option. Here type Google and then simply right click on it and click on End Task. Again type Google. If any option is present, then simply delete it. Now this time again open your browser and type Google AdSense. And again you are facing the same error. Now this time click on this extension option. If you don't find here, then simply click on this three dot. Here click on extension, then click on manage extension. Now turn off all the extension. Once you turn off all the extension, then simply refresh the Google AdSense page, but still we are seeing the same error. Then again close this window. Now let's try to open it again. And here type Google AdSense. Again we are facing the same error. Then simply again click on this three dot. Here click on manage extension. Then simply remove this ad blocker. Now let's refresh the Google AdSense again. Again we are facing the same error. Close this window. Again type here Google AdSense. Now this time click on this plus icon and here type Google AdSense. Then hit enter. Once you hit enter, then here click on this sign in option. And here choose your account. And boom, here you can see the AdSense account is now open successfully. So if you like this video, then make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.